YouTube, what's going on? Chief here, back again with another video, y'all. And to be honest, I'm not sure what happened to my outro clip. I turned my camera on, it must have got corrupted, deleted. I don't know what happened to it, but this is gonna be the intro, outro. Long story short, I found a few decent product leads for y'all, so just stick around, check those out. And yeah, let's get to it. YouTube, what's going on? We back again with another video. You already know where I'm at, man. If y'all know where I'm at this point, down, y'all ain't been tapped in long enough. But if y'all don't, if y'all new here, we at Ollies. So we gonna do some little bit of sourcing right now. I'm gonna actually just show y'all, of what to look for. So let's check the expiration dates. So we had about May 23rd, 2025. So we're gonna scan these in using seller amp. But I said 279, right? As always, we are eligible to sell the grocery and gourmet foods category. BSR is at 73K. The BSR just indicates how popular this product is in Amazon's catalog. So you want this number to be under 150K for me, and always being in the top 0% or 1% of the category. So as you can see, it's at 2%. And 2% is good also. Don't always just walk away from the 2%. But I like 0% or 1%. Sells roughly 50 times a month. So what I said, 279, right? 279. Current buy box is at $11.99. $1.83 if you're doing FBA, but going to FBM, that's for real. Make some more money. So scroll back up to the end, hit this little dimension box, about a pound, $5-6 maybe. 5, 6 is, 324, 116% ROI. Amazing. So I just gave, so that's actually a decent lead right there. Come down to our offer count. When looking at the offer count, which is the purple line, always just look for a decrease in movement. Look for movement in general, but decreasing means that the product actually sells. It means that sellers are selling out. If that makes sense. So decreasing movement is always good. So we got some good movement going on here. So this will actually be a decent buy for y'all, to be honest. So let's try $11.99. Let's try $12.40. 362, 129% ROI. So try to price our products. Always go by, what I do is the past weeks, the week's chart. So for the past week, it's been anywhere from 1174. Then we had a suppression buy box right here at 1192, 1199. So 1199. So that's how you can price your products. That's the success I had when doing this. Well, that's a decent lead though, man. They got a whole shelf of these. You feel me? Let's keep it moving though. Let's see what else we can find. So y'all can get off my back about finding profitable products, Ooh, that camera tracking me. Oh yeah, for sure. Got some Rainbow Krispies, Kellogg's, $3.79. We won't even waste our time with this. Look at that BSR, 451K, 13%, estimated sales, unknown. Yeah, we won't even waste our time with this. And another thing about the unknown sales, you can make sales on unknown sales products, but like when you starting off, just try to avoid those kind of listings. I've made a pretty good amount of money with the unknown listings, but y'all be wondering, hey, can I make some fast money? Can I make some fast money? So just stay away from unknown listings, for sure. They got some more joints right here. Miss Butterworth's pancake mix. All right. Another terrible lesson when you waste our time with it. BSR 202K, 6% of grocery and gourmet foods. Only sells one time a month, so don't waste your time with it. Do not do it. Do not do it. Instant grits right here. Expires November 2025. I say I'll never do nothing for y'all. Decent lead right here. Well, pretty good lead. So 49. But this is a 3-pack. So let's account for that. So that'd be about 447. 447. Current buy box is at 17.99. Okay, so we're not making no money doing FBA, so always switch to FBM. As you can see, we got 19 people doing FBM. So it's about £3. About $7-8 in shipping. 7-8ish. 382, 85% ROI. Just like that, y'all. Let's check the last week's buy box to see how we can price this joint. So December 24th was at 18.29. December 27th, 18.29 again. So let's shoot that up. 408, 91% ROI. Yo. I lost all train of thought, but I just wanted to say I shouldn't be doing this, but I'm doing it anyway. Like, for real. They just start with the grocery section first, because it's just always been the go-to. Like, walking to Ollies, 9 times out of 10, the grocery aisle just right there waiting on you. So I always start here first. Got some cookie dough. May 10th, 2025. Oh, look at this. Hold on, man. I think we got some more. Yo, I don't think I want to show this in the video. Hold on, wait. Let's check it out, though. It might be a PL. So $1.99. $1.99. It sells 400 times a month. Let's scroll down. Ooh, it's Amazon. I knew it. It was either PL or Amazon. So as you see, Amazon on this listing, 865 in stock, selling at 364. So it just would not be worth it. As you can see, we're not making jack. Losing crazy money. So perfect idea of listings to stay away from. The data is great though. 22K BSR, 400 sales a month. Just not cutting. Let's see. For the last 30 days, Amazon have been sharing a buy box. They won 63% of the time, but we still not making no money regardless. That person was selling at 424. Yeah, that's something we wouldn't even waste our time with, y'all. So that's a perfect example. If Amazon is on a listing, to stay away from. Well, if they winning like 100% of the time, stay away from it. But if they sharing a buy box and you making some money, grab that product for sure. Don't always get scared when you see Amazon on a listing. But let's keep it moving though. We ain't trying to be in here all day because I pretty much know what I came here for. I just wanna tap in with y'all. So far I gave y'all two decent leads. So we're gonna just keep scanning real quick though. Let's try these teas out. After dinner teas. Let's see. These are going for $1.99. $1.99. Whoa. Okay, so let's check out this second one, and then we're gonna check out that first listing. All right. Let's get into it. So, BSR 39K is in the top, and the reason why it's red is because it's the 2% of the category. So, like I say, I do 0% or 1%, but don't always walk away from the 2%. So $1.99. As you can see, we making money doing FBA already. I won't even FBA this. Like, come on, y'all. Putting that right into a poly mailer. Or some type of small box. 3 ounces. Maybe like $3-4 in shipping, maybe. Probably less than that, to be honest. What we making doing FBA? $2.49. $3 doing FBM. So 150% ROI. Remember, a positive ROI always indicates it's a profitable investment. The higher the number, the better. But with things like grocery, you can do like 25% ROI because these things can't be returned. But you still can get refunds though. But minimum ROI for grocery, in my opinion, 25% as long as it sells. Because it's like, at that point, it's just high volume. And you making fast sales, to reinvest back into the business. But let's scroll down. So sales about 50 times a month. And this is actually a FBA dominant listing right here. So you probably will have to FBA this. So 850, where was it? 850. Buy box analysis for the last 30 days. Good amount of buy box share going on. So we always look at the buy box analysis. Just look for a variety of colors. You know, basically how I put it is everyone's getting a piece of the pie. You don't want to go to the buy box analysis and just see one seller dominating for the last 30 days, 90 days, whatever the case may be, you know. So, but another decent lead though. You can make some money. As you can see, you can make some money off this, and it does sell. So let's go back to that first listing. So hopefully y'all keeping up with this because I'm running through this. So this is a 6-pack. So a 6-pack, right? Let's go to my calculator real quick. That's me right there. So $1.99. Let's just do. Okay, so boom. This is a 6-pack. Hopefully I ain't mistaken by that. By anything. $11.94. $3.49. 29% ROI when doing FBA. So let's just go to FBM. About a pound, $5-6 maybe on average. 5-ish, 6-ish, $6, 50% ROI. Sales roughly 100 times a month. Amazing. You know, you gotta take, I'm gonna be so real with y'all. You gotta take what you can get, especially when you're starting out because you basically don't know anything. So just back to what I said a little earlier. If you see something that sells a lot of times a month and you getting 25% ROI, $2 profit, $3 profit, hey, just grab it. Don't think too hard on it, grab it, because you gotta grab anything to make some money, you know? That's how I started off. I was grabbing everything though. But yeah though, this is another decent lead. Movement on the offer count for the last 3 months. I go based off of the 3 months data and we're looking at the offer count. For the last month, good movement going on here. When you're looking at the offer count, you don't want to look at it basically like a flat line. Flat line indicates no kind of movement, so those things I will stay away from. But another decent lead though. This and that, you will get it eventually. Trust me. I think I scanned this before. I think so. I didn't. So this blue dog food is going for $9.99. 2K BSR, top 1% of the category. So the data is amazing. Sells 600 times a month. But none of that means nothing if you can't actually make any money. The profit means nothing if it doesn't sell. So you got 6 people on here. Let's scroll down. Amazon is on this list, and let's check them out for the last 30 days. For the last 30 days, Amazon have been winning the buy box 99% of the time. So this will be a red flag. I will not waste my time on that because I won't make a sale, even though somebody won the buy box 3 weeks ago. Let's try. Got these fabs, $1.79. This might be some profit right here for $1.79. Come on, Ski. Let me focus back in. Come on, Ski. Get me back in there. I scanned it before. Okay. So 279K BSR. Sells 28 times out of the month. You know, as you can see, we're not making any money. So it's about 3 pounds. About $6-7 maybe. 7-ish, 8-ish. Hard pass on that. Like I don't like when I'm in these stores, like I ain't got time. If I don't see, if I see it ain't hitting, I'm moving on to the next. Simple. I ain't wasting my time. I got stuff to do. Feel me? These is $4.49 though. $4.49. Okay. Sheesh. Sheesh. So we got 12,000 variation sales though. So all 12,000 of those sales does not go to this product right here. It might have 8 other variations. So let's put that cost price in, $4.49. So we're not making any money doing FBA, so switch to FBM. Come on, y'all. About 15-ish ounces. So So under a pound, 5, 6 is bucks. Not making any money, but you could make this great. Oh, it's actually a suppressed buy box. Suppressed buy box. So we do got movement on this offer count, which is amazing. We do got some movement on here. So we currently at 1124. Well, no, we're not at 1124 because this is a suppressed buy box. So we got to make some money off of this. So let's shoot this up a little bit. Let's shoot this up. 13-ish. I ain't gonna lie, we might have to go like 14. Yeah, that just ain't cutting it right now. Yeah. So we see that the product sells. So I'm gonna just put 14.75 because I gotta make some money off of this. And it's excluding the 10% off, the 15% off you're gonna receive if you are a rewards member. And if you're a tax exemption, you just made this product even greater. Come on, y'all. I be giving too much game. But let's scroll back down real quick though. So for the last 30 days, it has been a suppressed buy box, as you can see, 85% of the time. And that's because that could just be, it might be some type of back-end issue on Amazon, or the price is just too high. The price is just so high that Amazon's not giving a buy box to anyone. So that's where suppressed buy box come in. You still can make money off suppression buy boxes. So don't just walk away from these products. But more to the story, another decent lead for sure.